Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit a check into Ally Bank. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who use Ally Bank. How do you actually go ahead and deposit a check into Ally Bank? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is that you're going to log into your Ally Bank, which looks like this. And then you're going to click on the bottom right hand side, the menu icon. Now once you're on this page here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says deposit checks. So click on deposit checks. And then on this page here, you need to take a front image of your check, and then you need to take a back image of your check that's been signed. And then you also need to select which account you want to deposit to if you have multiple Ally Bank accounts. And then you also want to insert the amount of your check. So after all of this information has been filled out, you simply just click on submit deposit. Keep in mind that deposits made after 7 p.m. Eastern time on weekends or holidays will be processed the next business day. But that is essentially how to deposit a check on Ally Bank. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.